Hello, welcome back to 5-Minute Move. I, Danny Trejo, will be leading you through a 6-minute video with a 5-minute workout. Today is Friday, end of the week, paycheck day, if you get paid weekly, day before the weekend. Oh yeah, most importantly, squat day. And that's what we'll be doing today. I will be demonstrating all of our exercises today and this week that I have been with a barbell. And today, since it's squats, we're doing a lot of butt style movements. First is side lunges, holding the bar just as so. Make sure to demonstrate or to pause the demonstrations to get an idea of how to do the movements as I do them. You're gonna come like this, come down, and come to the other side as well. You don't have to use the bar, but I will be using it. Single leg deadlift. So just get a lateral view here. You're gonna stand on one leg, and unlike a Romanian deadlift, you're gonna bend the knee and come down as low as you can, and then stand back up. Deep squats. Deep squat, I'll show you front, here, or here. All right, then you go to a split squat thruster. Split squat thruster, this is gonna be very difficult. Here, jump, jump, and then squat, and then press. All right, you can press from the chest as well. And then finishing off to a squat to lunge. So another combo movement is lunge, lunge, and then squat. All right, again, you can have the bar behind your head as well. I am not too picky on where you hold the bar. I just want you to do the movement and do it all of it. Cool, 7 more seconds, we'll go ahead and get started. Please stop the demonstration right now, strap yourself in, and get ready for the timed portion. Begin, side lunges. Here, you're gonna come down as low as you can, really drop to your heel, stand up, and then onto the other side, really stretching those inside of those legs, and trying to stay on your heel the entire time. So you do that for 45 more seconds. Whew. Guys, I am getting a little burnt out. Those last 2 demonstrations really got me, which means it'll be real fun when we get there. 35 more seconds left. Focus on side lunges, really getting those hips opened up, getting the inside of those, what these are called adductors, from the inside of your leg, from the knee to the groin, and that's what we're trying to get stretched out today. There's a little critter running around here. Did you see it? Did you see it? No, it's okay. 20 more seconds left. Ignore that. I just know she's around here somewhere. 15 seconds left. Focusing on those, and then I'm gonna start getting into a single leg deadlift for you guys to get ahead of the game a little bit. All right, 7, 6, focus on the side lunges. Real quick, breathe, breathe, breathe. Get ready to transition, and now stand on one leg with that same barbell, come here, and then drop as low as you can, standing back up. Try to get down to the ground every single time for 30 seconds on that same leg, and then we'll switch over to the other side. All right, so this is different. Normally, if you've stuck with me, you've done a lot of Romanian deadlifts, which is like that, straighter leg, right? Today, we're not doing that. We're doing a conventional. We're going straight to the ground. Wow, I cannot keep my balance for some reason. Speaking of balance, that's what we're doing, stability. Single leg deadlift is designed for stability, getting the whole leg worked out, just like we did switch legs, by the way. We just stretched out the inside of the adductors, and now that we're doing stability, you're also working out the outside and your hip flexors and a little bit of your glute medius out here on the side. So now when we do deep squats, the whole leg will be activated, right? You sweep the dust off, you blew on it, kind of brushed it off, grandma style. Now you're good to go. Deep squats, put the bar on your back. Well, not yet. 3, 2, 1, put the bar on your back, and deep squats. Yeah, get down in there. All right, like last week, we'll learn CrossFit squats, just like that. And as low as you can, stand back up. This should be the heaviest weight that you have available to you, will be this section. Strength is always the heaviest, which is why we call it strength. Also can be defined as how much force you place on the body, or the muscles technically. 40 seconds left of deep squats. Focus on that. Really squeeze those glutes, really get down in there. Focus on your technique. If you feel pinching in your hips, push past that. What that is, that's tightness. What's happening is your femur is too close to your pelvic bone because those hip flexors, these muscles right here, are too tight and they're short and they're pulling your bone in. So what's happening is you're kind of squeezing some nerves and some arteries there. It's not dangerous. It just hurts a little bit because it's like, it just feels tight. It feels like a tight shoulder. It'll be fine. Just go deeper into your squat. It won't do any damage. 13 seconds left, and then we'll go to split squat thrusters, which is, I'd rather was writing it down. I'm like, this might be a little too much. Hey, you know what? We're here to learn. Let's learn something in 2, 1, and begin. Oh, put the bar here. So, split squat, and then, oh, I'm sorry, I demonstrated that poorly. Here, to jump, and you thrust in between every split squat jump. I'm sorry, I messed that up completely, but that's how it's done right there. You throw the weight up every single time you do a split squat jump. So the non-bar version of that, to make it a little simpler, is here, and you come here. So once you have this motion down, Now you can get into the exploding aspect of it, okay? So focusing on that, 26 more seconds left. Focus on your thrust in between, or if you want to knock the thrust completely out of it, by all means do. I'm just showing you as many exercises as I can. Like I've mentioned many times, this is really load your arsenal with exercises and how to do them and how long to do them. 12 seconds. Well, not really how long. Everything we do here is a minute. You kind of get the idea. How to work it into your programming, right? Show you new techniques. 4 seconds, and then we're doing squats to lunge. This is the combo movement. And begin. So, reverse lunge, squat. Reverse lunge, other leg, squat. Cool, make sense? Got it? Awesome. Woo! Really get me going. The trick with being a fast talker. I'm from the north. Even though I live in Austin, Texas, I'm from the south. I should speak slowly, but I'm actually from Illinois. 30 seconds left. So I talk really fast. Doesn't work out so great with the workout stuff. But don't worry about me. I'm here for you guys, right? 20 more seconds. And while we're on the subject, being here for you guys, please subscribe. Really hit that notification button. That's actually the most important thing you can do, so that way you get notified every time I put out a workout video, so we can do it and know it's there waiting for you. 7 seconds left and we'll be all done for today. And if you know anybody who would like to work out, get in the habit of working out and learn some new workout moves, please share this with them. And that is time. That is the buzzer. Thank you so much for being here this week with me. This was Barbell Week. Next week will be Resistance Band Week. If you notice, we're on a cycle. And I highly recommend buying a pack of exercise bands. They're only 25 bucks. You get a whole range of tensions, and you can do that at Amazon or wherever, Academy or whatever. But again, thank you very much. I really love doing these videos. They challenge me. Hopefully they're challenging you. And I would like to make longer versions of these. So if you want longer versions of these, please comment below and just say, hey, I like the 30-minute version of this. That'd be great. Then I will look into doing that. Thank you very much. It's been great.